There's a few miscellaneous campaign settings that I want to touch on with you. Hi, I'm Mark with Inbound Revenue. This is Google Ads Essentials. We're working through the setup for a search campaign for local lead generation. Just a few settings here which you can typically skip right by, but I'm going to explain them to you. One is ad rotation. It's automatically set to optimize, prefer the best performing ads. There was a time back in the day before we had responsive ads where we would typically turn on do not optimize, rotate ads indefinitely. That means that if you had two ads in an ad group, it would show each ad approximately 50% of the time. With responsive ads, Google is showing a combination of different ads they prefer to be able to do that. So you have less need to not optimize. The ads will quote unquote self-optimize. Now, if you're in a situation where you're pinning all your headlines and all your descriptions and you're creating two ads, you might want to set this to do not optimize. If you don't know what any of those things mean, pinning headlines, that sort of thing, we'll get to it later. But for the most part, you can go with prefer best performing ads and let Google select the ad or ad combination that works best for you. Another one is campaign URL settings. If you've got auto tagging set on, you don't necessarily need to do this. However, if you had a specific tracking template that you wanted to use, you could set it up here. This is an entire video for another time, another day, so we'll come back to that one. But auto tagging is going to work for most people. And then we've got brands. If you want to exclude your shoe brand or something from your shopping campaign, or exclude a certain brand, typically the small business owner does not need to do anything with this. But I just wanted to point out to you that these settings did exist, just in case you're like, oh, Mark didn't even talk about those. Does he even know what he's talking about? Drop your comments in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back next time with more videos on Google Ads search campaign setups for local lead generation.